Les Covington from Portland, Oregon. This is a customer's bike. It's a 2008 Road King. It came to me for a customization project. I started by fabbing up some new fenders and stuff, getting it ready for a custom paint job and some other stuff I'm doing with it, but I couldn't get the fender to hang straight. I started checking things out at my shop. I realized that there was much more that was wrong with this frame that I could ever figure out. I couldn't get my head wrapped around. I brought it to Al, Rack and Pull in Sacramento. It's a long way to come, but this is the only place that I could get the right answers to figure out how to get this thing fixed. All right, so Al has been working like crazy over the last several hours trying to get our heads around what has to be done, but this frame's basically got some factory flaws. It's substandard workmanship, and he's fixing it, most of it, and then I'll probably end up buttoning it up at my place in Portland. But it had a lot of issues with the neck and with the rear of the chassis, and Al's taking care of it. So right now the neck is true. This is squared up. We're going to do a little bit more work on the back, and this thing will be off the dock here soon.